Welcome back to Factory Flow, your go-to channel for everything industrial automation. Today we're diving deep into distributed control systems, the brain behind complex industrial operations. From how they work to the top companies in the industry, we've got it all covered. Let's get started. A distributed control system, or DCS, is an automated control system used in industrial environments to manage complex processes. Unlike centralized control systems, a DCS spreads control across multiple subsystems, each with its own controllers. These subsystems communicate through high-speed networks, ensuring precise control, data collection, and real-time monitoring. DCSs are critical in industries like power generation, oil and gas, water treatment, pharmaceuticals, and chemical manufacturing. There are several types of distributed control systems designed to suit various industrial needs: traditional/proprietary DCS, open DCS, hybrid DCS, and cloud-based DCS. Why do industries choose distributed control systems? Let's explore the benefits. High reliability, process optimization, scalability, improved safety, and centralized monitoring. Several global giants dominate the DCS market, offering cutting-edge solutions. Let's look at the key players: Siemens AG, ABB Group, Honeywell International Inc., Emerson Electric Co., Yokogawa Electric Corporation, and Schneider Electric. The future of DCS is evolving rapidly with technological advancements. Here's what to expect: integration with IoT, AI and machine learning, cloud and edge computing, and cybersecurity enhancement. And that's a comprehensive look at distributed control systems. Whether you're in manufacturing, energy, or chemicals, DCS is the backbone of industrial automation. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more industrial insights here on Factory Flow. Stay ahead in automation, and we'll see you in the next video.